It's time to bid goodbye to 2024. And if you are thinking of ringing in the new year with a new set of earphones, then you must watch this video till the end. Because we are going to tell you about some of the coolest earphones of 2024. These have already been reviewed by our reviewers and are not in any particular order. So, let's get started. The sound quality of the Marshall Minor 4 is really good. The vocals are clear and the bass too is rich. The earbuds give you an immersive sound experience no matter what genre you are listening to. The call quality too is excellent. The audio can be heard clearly without any disturbance or echo. Now, there's a bomb I need to drop. These earbuds don't have active noise cancellation. So, if that's an important checkbox for you, then you should skip it. Coming to their battery, they easily last approximately 7 hours, including listening to music and taking a few calls. The long playtime means you can easily take these earbuds along for day trips or long journeys without worrying about running out of battery. Google has put its first ever audio chip called the Tensor A1 in the Buds Pro 2, which ensures very effective active noise cancellation. The active noise cancellation system for a pair of TWS earbuds is very capable of cutting off ambient sounds and also attempts to cut off higher frequency sounds, which is good. For most casual listeners, the audio sounds bright with an emphasis on the highs and some punchy but well coordinated bass. Coming to voice quality, the new Tensor A1 will sound perfectly and naturally clear to the caller, but this only applies to quieter settings. The Buds Pro 2 can go for a whole workday, for example 8 to 9 hours of listening with ANC on, or a whole day of 12 hours with ANC off. If you want to buy a pair of TWS earphones but don't want to spend too much, then you should definitely take a look at these. The snug fit of the Sony WF-C510 offers an adequate amount of passive noise isolation to drown out most atmospheric disturbances. However, there is a transparency mode called ambient sound that you can toggle on the app or through the button on the earphones. It uses the mic on the earphones to let atmospheric noises flow through. The Sony WF-C510 present you with a rich and vibrant sound experience. Coming to the battery life, with the ambient sound mode off, just the earphones can run for up to 10.5 hours on a single charge, playing AAC. The earphones support a quick charge feature which fuels up for up to an hour of usage in just 5 minutes. The charging case using a USB Type-C cable can fully charge from zero in 2 hours and 47 minutes. It does not support high-end audio codecs or active noise cancellation, which seem to be a popular feature. Another pair of TWS in budget are the Redmi Buds 5C. The earphones come with a compact and comfortable in-ear design. The Redmi Buds 5C offers a decent performance for their price. The active noise cancellation is quite effective, and you get 3 different modes: noise cancellation, transparency, and off. Coming to the performance, the Redmi Buds 5C brings a balanced approach with emphasis on the bass. However, at high volumes, there's some distortion and uneven sound separation, which is a bit disappointing. The earbuds also come with decent battery life. During the testing period, our reviewer found out that the earbuds delivered close to 4 hours of backup with the ANC turned on. With the active noise cancellation turned off, you can get close to 6 hours of backup from each bud. With the charging case, you get close to 30 hours of playback time, which is impressive given its price point. The Beats Solo Buds offers a rather good soundstage, which means that it can handle tracks across genres, including rock, pop, and classical music. While the low on the Beats Solo Buds are not as aggressive as the company's other models, it actually delivers more balanced audio than its competitors in the same price segment that offer more powerful bass performance. However, there's no active noise cancellation on the Beats Solo Buds. It gives about 12 hours of battery life with a mix of listening to music, calling, and gaming. The Beats Solo Buds deliver a balanced, neutral sound and work very well with both iOS and Android devices. That's all in this video. Keep watching Gadgets 360 to know about the best gadgets that 2024 had to offer.